in this video we will be seeing that um, how does this vacuum cleaner works. Okay, so now let's get started. So basically, here we have a vacuum cleaner. Okay, here we have a vacuum cleaner. Okay, here we have a vacuum cleaner. In this vacuum cleaner, we have a pipe coming through of it. Okay, so this pump sucks out the dust over here. Okay, and over here we have this fan. This fan is powered by a motor. This usually be in a box. Usually if you see that, it will be in a box. But if you see it really close, this bag and this should be not be close to each other. Here is the dust collector, dust area. Okay, so in this way this things goes up and stored over here. It is right. So in this area it goes and stucks. But why does this layer cloth is there for it? Because the dust shouldn't. This is motor sucking and releasing outside the air. Okay, this is the air releasing area. This area is now releasing air. So now we'll just suck it and the air particles go out of it really easily. So this air particle, if let's take a cloth, so this cloth is like this. In this cloth, so I'll just erase this one. Okay, in this cloth we have really small holes like this. Okay, and this is how it will be. Okay, these are really hole that no only the air particles would go in it. No dust, even the sand will not go inside it. So they make it like this so that no air gets into it. So now it releases only the air is gone out, and we also sucked in the dust. If we open it, and everyone had this question, what if you take a thing like the motor box like this, okay, this motor box over here, and plug it into the socket. Okay, so what happens is it sucks, but it sucks all the things which is really like whatever things it will stuck, but it will not get in because we have protective layer over here. Like this one over here protects it from also over here. So this is the layer of it. So this is how a vacuum cleaner works, a really basic principle. But that's why we have this motor box. This motor box is really powerful that it can suck whatever it wants. So now thank you guys. Let me see in the next video. Until then, bye.